Scorpio, Scorpio, Scorpio. So bonus reading, November 2025. Yes? Knock, 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 Scorpio. Welcome po sa Scorp's Work Tarot. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to fellow Scorpio. Birthday na po natin. Yeah? So, isang taon na naman tayong tumanda. So, sana ay masaya at malusog at happy. So, yun lang. So, for me, that's, yun lang yung wish ko. Yun lang yung wish ko po. Well, kung madami pera. Well, sige, hindi po ako magpapaka-plastic. So, kasama, hinuli lang, kunyari, pinatay. Kunyari, hindi uwinish eh, no? So, yeah. So, Scorpio, bonus reading, November 2025. Tignan natin yung blind spot natin. Okay? So, blind spot, kung ano yung hindi natin nakikita na sometimes unconsciously or subconsciously it's at play, gumagana yun sa situation. So na sometimes may impact yun sa ano natin, sa decisions, sa the way yung emotion natin. Okay, so tingnan natin what Scorpio needs to know. Tingnan natin yung blind spot ng Scorpio, November 2025. November 2025. Oops. Okay. Malagkit. Okay. Bigyan mo ako. Spirit guide. Okay. What Scorpio needs to know. Okay. Lumitaw yung card natin. Nahihiya pa. Oh. Okay. So, alam mo yan na Scorpio, nurturing, caring, emotional, willing ka magbigay ng beyond extra mile, ng pagmamahal, ng attention, you know, sacrifice, okay? To sacrifice yourself to give to somebody else, yeah? So that's one thing everybody, you know, okay? Tignan natin, what other knows about you, Scorpio, okay? Kuha ko ng third card, okay? Second card. What other knows about you? Okay. So, alam mo, naglolo ko ito. Ito na ba yung card mo? Okay. Siguro lipat ako dito. Okay. Happy birthday, Scorpio, fellow Scorpio. Ingat po tayo. Okay. So, what other knows about you? Okay. Dahil, I'm doing this reading po, full moon. So, Hunter Moon. So, iba yung energy ng mga taong nasa paligid ko. Maski rin nasa opisina, a lot of drama. Okay. So, kaya minsan nakaka-drain yun. Tama po ba? Okay. Kasi sa trabaho tama, marami ka na iniisip. Huwag nang dagdagan pa. Okay. What Scorpio needs to know? So, I would like to get them card number 2. Anong alam ng tao about you? Okay, how they see you. Okay. How they see you, how they think about you. Okay. Minsan, totoo po ito, yung meron tayong tinatago na ayaw nating mabuko. Okay, we don't want other people to, we want to show na we are different from yung natin, yung nasa loob natin. Okay, kasi tayo you want to cover, you want to armor, yung ayaw mong masaktan, ganun tipo. Tama po ba? So, how the other people, anong nakikita nila sa iyo, how they see you, Scorpio. Okay, give me one card, and angel spirit guide sa mga kapatid nating Scorpio. Isa lang para sa November bonus reading, birthday ng mga fellow Scorpio. Okay, parang na rin to, guide na rin. Okay. Tatlo. Okay, I'll get the second. Okay, I get the third, and I get the fourth card. Okay. Okay. Alam nila na masipag ka, matrabaho, matyaga, willing kang, sinabi ko a while ago, diba, to give extra mile at magpagamit. Sinabi, magpauto. Okay, put it that way. Okay? Yun ang nakikita ko rito. Magpauto, magpabuhati ng dapat buhatin. Okay? May Taurus bang nasa kakilala? Okay? Na kapatid, asawa, or somebody? Okay? So, itong si Scorpio na kaharap ko, okay? Na dala-dala mo yung dala-dala mo yung magic wand mo rin. Okay? Yung inspiration. Willing kang kabigin yung responsibility mo, at sometimes maski na hindi mo responsibility, di ba sabi ko magbigay ng emotional support na to go beyond, maski na maging katawa-tawa na, ayoko sabihin katawa-tawa, okay, but ano mo lang, ibigay mo, i-offer mo more than, okay? So meron bang ganyan? I mean, knowing Scorpio, that yun talaga. Siguro I'm describing myself. Okay? So, sa group setting, sa mga kaibigan mo, alam nila na pwede kang utangan, na pwede kang, pahiramin mo nga ako ng simpleng, ng kumot. Ay, nakikita ko yung kumot. Ito, literal ko na lang pipick upin dito, ha? Pahiramin, tulungan mo ako maglinis ng bahay. Okay, pakidala mo nga itong sako ng bigas, magdala ka ng isang sakong bigas ng panglinis, sabon, panlaba. Yeah, okay. Tapos ang layo-layo, ikaw pa yung mamamasahe, ikaw pa yung tumulong. You get it? Ikaw na yung namasahe, pero libre yung itinutulong mo, nagastusan ka. Yeah, that's how I say na yung emotion is beyond, more than what you need to do. Okay, yung effort, hindi madali yan. Okay, na dumayo doon sa kaibigan mo na nangangailangan ng tulong, ikaw pa ay may dalang isang kabang bigas. Yeah? Okay? That's how you are, Scorpio. Okay? Okay. Hindi mo alam, okay, kung paano mo gamitin yung talento mo. Okay? The Magician. Magician, nag-alchemy. Okay? So, ano ang dahilan? Bakit hindi mo ginagamit yung power mo? At, okay, Page of Sword. This one is bata ito eh. Bata, walang malay. Well, may malay, pero, hindi ito full-blown, woman or a boy, it's only a boy or a little child, okay, na interesado lang sa yung adventure, pero wala siyang responsibilidad, ayaw mo ng responsibilidad, Scorpio. Okay, kaya alam mo yung talent mo, nakikita ka ng mga kaibigan mo na somebody who alam mo na you are overflowing with that love and affection, willing ka to go extra mile. Yeah, meron kang talent na sa kamay mo, na kung anong gusto mo, pwede mong sabihin sa kanila na bayaran mo ako rito. And what's keeping you to say that? Or sabihin mo sa amo mo, bigyan mo ako na increase, sobra na yung ginawa ko. Or sa asawa mo na trabaho naman ako ng trabaho, baka gusto mo namang magtipid para makaipon tayo. Okay? What's keeping you to do those kind of things? Or meron kang talento, bakit hindi ka mag side hustle, kasi alam mong may kikitain ka ron, hindi mo ginagamit yung tools mo. Magaling kang mag-painting, but hindi mo gamitin yun to kasi yun ang isa sa mga dream mo. Or ito yung mga hidden skills mo na palagi mo lang iniisip, gagawin ko yun kasi gusto kong mag-aral ng ganito, or gusto kong matutong mag-design ng sapatos, gusto kong matuto ng mag-design ng magluto, or maging painter, anything related na hindi yun ng when I say na binigay mo na sobra-sobra, even yung personal na happiness mo para maibigay mo dun sa iba, Now, you still have the tools at the back pocket. Okay? You just need to harness that. Yeah? Huwag kang mag-isip ng bata na sa palagay mo okay, sa susunod na lang yan, bukas na lang yan. Okay? May bukas pa naman I'm just being playful. You are enjoying yung ginagawa mo na parusahan yung sarili mo. Okay? Meron ba ganyan, Scorpio? Okay? Kasi, ayokong sabihin na inuuto ka or something. Okay, parang sa akin sinabi ko na rin na ito yung minsan na abuse na Scorpio, kasi may problema ako whatsoever yung kaibigan mo nasa 10 kilometro, nagdala ka pa ng hindi lang yung baon mo ang binitbit mo, pinagbitbit mo pa sila ng yung buong pamilya nila ng suporta. Okay, that's how good you are in giving help. Okay, na ibinigay mo yung kakainin mo na lang. Okay, it may not be literally like that, pero it's time to take control, Scorpio. That's how it is. Okay, you need to take, I think this is child is telling Scorpio, hey little Scorpio, hindi na to game. Okay, you need to act now. Kasi kung natulungan mo yung isa, you can also fly, and infinite yung power mo. So what's holding you? I think that's your blind spot. The blind spot here is ayaw mo i-acknowledge. Page is bata, curiosity, yeah. Wala pa tong knowledge, that's why it's a page, yeah. Bata, puro lang idea, pero wala pa siyang natatapos, wala pa siyang napoproof, wala pa siyang napopruwebang nagawa niya, yeah. Okay, pero hindi mo alam, Scorpio, people are looking at you. Itong Scorpio na kaharap ko, this is your blind spot. Dahil kung nakapagpadala ka ng 10 kilong bigas sa kanila, kasi nagiging, did I say the word uto-uto? Yeah, okay. Alam nila na magician ka, na back pocket knife ka nila. Okay, na sino kaya ang mahihiraman ko ng ganito? Meron ka bang kulay na pulang kamiseta? Kasi kailangan ko meron ka bang ganitong all of a sudden, somebody will ask you that and you can give. Okay, sino kaya yung merong CD player na may karaoke, yung bang something, all of a sudden, ikaw yung naisip, and you can provide that kind of, special, unique, na hindi na nabibili sa bookstore, and then all of a sudden si Scorpio, ayan, meron ka bang plaka ni so and so singer noong 80s, magsasayo yung anak ko sa eskwelahan, si Scorpio yan. That's how people see you as the magician. Pero hindi mo ginagamit to yourself, Miss Scorpio, Mr. Scorpio. Okay? Bonus reading, November 2025, and that's your blind spot. Yeah? Okay? So, tignan natin. November 2025. Kuha lang ako ng isa pang message o moon card, moon oracle. Okay? Full moon, hunter moon yung tawag sa full moon ng October. Full moon ko po ginagawa itong reading. So, okay. Bonus reading. Tingnan natin yung one last message sa fellow Scorpio ko, na kapatid kong sign. Yeah? Okay. Kung naka-resonate po, okay, salamat. Kung hindi, huwag pong pilitin. Okay. One card lang sa kapatid natin, Scorpio. Okay. Angel, Spirit, Guide. One card lang. One card. Okay. One lang. Isa lang. Okay. Pagod na yung baraha. Pagod yata yung baraha. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Half moon. Okay. tignan natin sa mga fellow Scorpio. Embracing high levels of motivation and energy will bring feelings of empowerment and satisfaction. Tama? Okay? High level of energy, okay, will bring feelings of empowerment and satisfaction. Okay? This is the energy. Okay? This is high level. Ang binibigay mo lang is batang energy, curiosity, papisil-pisil, pamaliit-maliit. Okay? Kung nakapagdala ka, nakapagbuhat ka ng 10 kilo, 10 kilometers, that's magic. Bakit hindi mo magawa sa sarili mo, Scorpio? Okay? You need to take that power, control. This is your cup. This is your King of Cups. The King of Cups is holding the Ace of Cups. Yeah? Okay? So, yeah, claim it. In the next full moon sa November full moon. Yeah, I need to check ano ba yung full moon na yun. November full moon. I think it's Beaver. Okay. So, yeah. So, bonus reading November 2025, fellow Scorpio. So, happy birthday. Mag-celebrate ka. You're the magician. Okay? See you sa weekly reading po. Salamat.